In front of me is Nothing Phone 3, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down to hit Security and Privacy section. Then scroll all the way down and click on Privacy Controls. Finally, click on Permission Manager and select any of your device's features to manage, like for example Contacts. Click on one of your apps under one of those sections, Allowed or Not Allowed. I will go with Google Play Store from Not Allowed one, and apply any of those options by clicking on the best one for you, Allow or Don't Allow. I will go with the first option, so when I tap and go back, Google Play Store just gained access to my device's contacts. If you want to, you can always pick any feature and then find an app you wish to manage instead. Now click on See All Permissions and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!